Hi everyone, this is original video. My name is Akshay Wagh. Today's topic is the synchronizing the Java. And synchronize, what is mean by synchronize and synchronize working of the program, and when to use the synchronize class uh, method, and it's the variables. The synchronize is used to the technical that we can that the multiple threads are accessible and simultaneously in threads is called as a synchronizer. The synchronizer is the synchronizer is used to the synchronizer is used to the used is used to the maintain the errors. It's mean the multi-threading multi-threading at uh, at a s- at the same time of the threads is runnable, and the the run at the some errors. It's the occurred to the using the synchronizer. There the synchronizer the part in multi-threading, and it used to the multi-threading is multi is a multiple alternator of the method to call run, and synchronize used to the one by one the method run. So, we have to discuss the synchronizing the types. There are two types: thread and process based. The threads is there are two types: manual and cooperation. There first we will discuss the manual exclusive. There are mainly three types in the first one is the by using the method, and second one is the by using the block, and third one it's last one is by using the by using the static the synchronizer. First we will discuss the part one is the by using the method. If you declare the one method as the synchronizer is called as the synchronizer the method. It's the synchronizer method is used to the lock an object for long shared the resource, only shared the resource. So it's mean the synchronize multi-threading the working of the how much working of the multi-threading. Suppose there are the three threads, thread 1, thread 2 and thread 3, and called and thread 1, 2, 3 an object create and called start. Thread 1 start, T1 start, T2 start and T3 the starter, and simultaneously the threads. There are three threads, but the execution of the the at the same time in thread call and run, but it use the synchronizer. The synchronize use, and then the one by one the threads is executed. First, not alternate the execution. First, we have to call the T1, then the T1 the execution. The next is T2, and next is T3. One by one the the execution. Next is the part is synchronize the block. Synchronized block can be used to the perform the synchronizations on any special resource of the method. Suppose we have to 30 lines of the code in our method, but we want to the synchronize only 5 or to any line of the in case, and we can the synchronize block in use only 10 block in line, 10 block only 10 our methods in line of the block is executed It's used in the synchronizer block. The synchronizer block is used to the lock an object for any shared the resource. The system perform the many degrade the because the slower working at synchronizer keywords. Last type is the by using the static synchronizer. If you make any static the method synchronizer and lock will be and the case that the on object. Suppose the static synchronize is achieve the static synchronizing method. The static synchronize is achieved by the static synchronizer methods. The static and non-static. The static synchronize method. The static synchronize method locked on the class, and the non-static synchronizing method locked on the currently the object. That is the static and non-static synchronizer. It can run at the same time. That's all about in the information of the synchronization.